How to record voiceover in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, scroll down to the recording tools section. Here you will see three options: record, phone recording, and karaoke. From these options, select a record tool. Make sure to grant any required permissions for microphone access if prompted, so you can record without any issues. Then enter the file name, sample rate, format, channel, and other settings as per your preference. Once done, tap the start button. Tap the record button to begin recording your voiceover. Speak clearly to record. You will see the waveform display in real time as AudioLab captures your sound, allowing you to monitor the recording visually. Once you finish, tap stop. You can then preview, trim, or edit your recording, apply effects, and finally save the voiceover to your device for use in project, videos, podcast, or sharing. Now you know how to record voiceover in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.